Today I'm going to show you how to change a radiator in a 2003 Toyota Tundra. I should probably start off by telling you why I have to change the radiator. It was a cold morning, and evidently we had a squirrel staying in the radiator fan for the night. I didn't realize it, and when I started the truck up, this is what we got. So I've already changed the fan blade. Now it's time to change the radiator. Start off by removing the skid plate underneath. Disconnect the battery. Take the radiator cap off. Here's the drain plug for the radiator. Twist that guy loose to drain the radiator. While that's draining, take off the upper radiator hose. And take off the overflow hose. Then the fan shroud is next. There are 4 10mm bolts holding it on, 2 at the top, 2 at the bottom. You just take those out and the fan shroud should slide out. Let me pause right here. Technically, there should be a bottom surround to the fan shroud. Mr. Squirrel has already taken that off for us. Once your fan shroud is out of the way, disconnect the lower radiator hose. There's also 2 lines that apparently go to the transmission. Disconnect those as well and tuck them out of the way. Now the radiator itself has 4 12mm bolts located here. It's also got 2 tabs on the side of the radiator, so you can go ahead and take the 4 bolts out and you don't have to worry about the radiator falling. Then the radiator should just slide right out. And this is the mess Mr. Squirrel made. Alright, new radiator time. Let's see what it looks like. Carefully slide the radiator back into position, making sure the 2 tabs engage with the slots in the front. Then put the 4 bolts back in. Crawl back underneath, reconnect the lower radiator hose. Also reconnect the 2 hoses to the transmission. I'm going to go ahead and wipe it off to make it easier to check for leaks. Then put the fan shroud back in. Now you can reattach your overflow tube and upper radiator hose. Fill it back up with antifreeze. Reattach the skid plate underneath. This thing was a little heavy and kind of awkward to get into position, but there's 2 tabs on the front that hold it up off the ground. Reconnect the battery using a 10mm wrench and start it up. And that's it. Hope this helps somebody out there. In the end, I think the squirrel had a worse day than I did. If you like this video, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.